How to set up PayPal business account. PayPal business account tutorial. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at setting up a PayPal business account, and if you've ever had any issues in the past trying to set one up, this is a great video for you. It's straight to the point and very, very simple. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to paypal.com, and you are then going to find yourself on this page over here. Once you're on this page, you're going to have to log in or sign up. Now, because we are creating a new account, we're going to tap on the sign up tab right over here on the top right hand side. So once you've tapped on that, you will find yourself on this page over here. It will now give you the option to sign up for a PayPal account, either of a personal account or a business account. It also offers you some information as to what each one of those accounts will offer you. We're going to go ahead, select business account, and then we are going to tap on continue. So as you're going through this process, you're going to have to enter a bunch of information to start defining your account. So once we get into this next page, you will have to start giving PayPal a bunch of information. So as it says over here, your legal first name, your legal last name, your email address, as well as your password for that email address for this account. The password should be between 8 and 20 characters. It needs at least one uppercase and one lowercase letter, and a number or a symbol. And then you can save your info and create a PayPal account over here. And once you've done all that, you can tap on the I've read and agreed to the user agreement as well as the privacy statement, and we can then continue our process. And then you will get over to this page over here. It'll just say, hi, you are ready to use your PayPal account. And what we can do over here, the two options that you have is start activating your account, or you can skip this process. But for the sake of this video, we're going to tap on start activating your account, and we are then going to start filling in some more details on the following page. So right over here, you'll be faced with a question, and there are two very simple answers. So which best describes you? Either you're an individual seller or a sole proprietor, or you sell on the side. This means that you don't actually have a registered business. However, you want to keep the money that's coming into this business separate, and you want it to have its own PayPal account. That would be the first option. If you do have a business that is registered, or it is a non-profit, you're going to have to tap on the second option, which is the one that says business. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on individual seller for the sake of this video, and you will then see a bunch more options that have appeared over here. So it says it needs your business name, and it also states that you just use your full legal name for now, and then the type of business, and you can go down and there's a bunch more detail. So starting up at the top over here, we're going to go ahead and say Bob's Doorknobs. And what type of business is this? So we can say it's either an individual or a sole proprietor. And then you can enter in your birth date. And then you can also enter in your nationality as well as your phone number. And you also will require your physical address, which is not your business address but your residential address. Once you've put all this information in, we're going to tap on next, and we're going to continue to set up our business PayPal account. So the next page you're going to see here, they want to know more about your actual business. So the first option is, what is your business registration number? So you're going to enter this business registration number if your business is registered, and then the primary currency of your business. So over here we're going to leave it as US dollars, and then it says here, what do you sell or what service do you offer? And right over here, if you tap on the box, you will see that there is a bunch of options over here, so you can really put in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in content or subcategories over here. So let us have a look at bus lines, just for example's sake. And then it says, do you have a business website? We're going to go ahead and say no. And if you do have a business website, you can just enter it in right over here. Then it says, what is the business's business address. You can use your residential address over here, and then you can just tap on next when you are done. So on the previous page, there was an opportunity just to confirm your phone number, and then you will also receive an email confirming your account. You're going to just have to verify that, and then you will have your business account set up. And now what they basically want to know is they want to know how easily or how difficult it was for you to set up your account. So you can go ahead, give them some feedback, and tap on next. And this obviously helps PayPal with what they are doing over here. So we're going to just say quick over there, and we're going to tap on next, and you'll basically now be thrown towards your confirmation page. It says congrats, we're all set. We've emailed you confirmation link so you can verify your address, and then we can just tap on go to homepage. Now on this homepage over here, this is where you can actually manage everything from your dashboard. So all your money in, money out. On the top you have your home tab. You also have activity, pay and get paid, your marketing for growth, as well as your app center. And right over here, after you've activated your account and confirmed your email, you can then link a bank card or a bank account to your PayPal account, or you can just keep all your funds in your PayPal account and use it straight from there. Down over here there are some quick links, so you can go ahead and explore that. And basically once you've done that, you've got your business account set up, and you can now start using your business account. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy the content we put out, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.